Okay. Moving towards now, we have a doctor here. She's a dentist, Dr. Kanika. So now, Kanika, I have a question for you that since you are into the medical procurement, so patient safety is one of the important key factors which you have to keep in mind, I'm sure. Keeping that regulations in mind, how do you do the procurement? Because again, important in medical equipments, what happened exactly, it's something, please correct us if in case you feel that we are going out of the track, that I'm sure they have a very limited shelf life. And when you talk about the procurement, they have an expiry dates where you cannot go beyond a certain inventory. And in that case, procurement and supply chain and keeping all the operations well in place and on time is a very crucial role to play into the medical sector.
Absolutely.
So I'm sure you must have gone through with a different kind of things into your sector. So please just highlight us and enlighten us about this from the medical background perspective.
So obviously, we have spoken about a couple of things which keeps or makes the supply chain across the industry efficient, be it IT solutions, or we are talking about a different kind of solution or strategy across vendor management, inventory, procurement. But when we come to healthcare sector and specifically big hospital sector, so it's very important. All of this is of no use if we are landing up in a situation where we don't have the right product. Right product for us is the medicine, the supplies, the consumable supplies at the right time. So that makes all the difference. Yes, achieving that. So we have spoken about this, a lot is about collaboration. Yes, this is the time of synergy, synergizing different functions, synergizing different stakeholders. But how to achieve that, especially in a healthcare sector? So it's very easy to find a basic purpose for us, for someone coming from the industry, from healthcare industry, and it is the patient-based outcome. It's very simple, and be it the senior surgeons, doctors, or nursing, management people, senior leadership, the very first thing, you can easily connect, patient-based outcome. So that is the time, that is the thing that it's easy to connect with, and you very well get aligned in terms of, making everyone aligned with that basic principle. And the secondly, if we can talk about, yes, it does come with data accuracy, data analysis. You should know what you are talking about because obviously data doesn't lie. We all know that. The entire foundation is, again, it is one of the one pillar that we cannot ignore. Now connecting with that, coming down the theme also, how come women can facilitate or do it in a, I won't say in a better way, but they can add certain value to the entire process. So first thing would be, we are very pro or will have a little edge in terms of creating the psychological safety. Creating psychological safety within your team with senior leadership and people on ground, the end users on ground. And that too in hospital comes to be doctors as well as nursing staff. So, creating that possibly, if I'll just take my example. So I stepped into supply chain when I was a new mother. I was, before that into medical quality, was handling a team of 2 or 3 executive. Then came, after maternity break, I stepped in managing a team of 35 senior executive. And that time, so when you turn up to be a new mother, you are very strong. So that is the change which happens naturally. So be it about, conflict management, getting stakeholders on a common ground. So that comes naturally to you, Also in terms of multitasking. So that is one thing which makes your life easy, and but it does, contribute to the entire basic of collaboration, be it in supply chain or in any other function. But yes, if we are talking about specifically supply chain, it does facilitate rather than in any other function. And obviously, we do understand in terms of, covering the gap or filling up the gap in terms of, again, aligning different stakeholders. So that's how I feel we do have an edge that, beyond our male counterparts.